This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and grabbing only what you need. Create a virtualenv, pip install speak recognition and Pi audio or sound device, then open Python. Once done, query available audio devices and note the microphone index so you call the correct source. Make sure the OS grants microphone permission to Python, otherwise listening fails silently. Start a small script that imports speech recognition, constructs a recognizer, and selects microphone, device index equals, so recording is immediately actionable. Next, you capture clean audio and prep it for recognition. Place the microphone, then call adjust for ambient noise for 1 second so the recognizer learns background levels. This reduces false triggers. Use listen with sensible timeout and phrase time limit to avoid hanging. Save the raw audio data if you want to retry. If you need offline reliability, feed the WAV to VOSC or Deep Speech. Otherwise, convert to 16-bit 16K HZ WAV to improve accuracy when sending to cloud APIs. Finally, you convert audio into text and make the system robust. Pass the audio data to recognize Google or to your offline model, print the result, and append it to a transcript file. Always wrap recognition in try/, except so you catch unknown value error for unclear speech and request error for API or network issues. For continuous capture, implement short retries and exponential backoff. If things go wrong, toggle ambient noise adjustment and confirm device index. Most failures come from wrong input or permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.